Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how a Toshiba T6400DXC, just the overall speed and just the different programs and whatnot. This computer is from 1992. The processor is an Intel 486DX. The standard memory is 4 megabyte RAM, which is crazy that anybody even used this in 1992, because right now we have like 16 gigabytes and anything higher than that, 32 gigabyte laptops that are even smaller than what you see right here. The hard drive size is 200 megabytes. There is a floppy disk drive, but that can also be changed into a CD-ROM. Anything really else? The weight of this is 13 pounds. And yeah, let's start it up. 1 second. Let's start this baby up. So you gotta open it on the sides here. Open it like that. It's the keyboard, how it looks. And here's the beautiful screen. And let's get this started. So back. As you can tell, it's already pretty loud. There it is. 1992 Toshiba. Memory test. Starting up right now. The display is 10.4 inches and it's 64 times 480 dot resolution. Still can't believe that anybody would even use this. We have come very far from the 90s, that's for sure. I don't know if you can see my cursor or not, but let's go to programs. You know, the different kind of programs that we used. Close. Yes. Oh. Well, I messed that one up. I have to reset it. No problem at all. Alright, sorry about that. Just had a little made a little mistake there. Yeah, so these are all the different kind of programs. If I minimize this one, you also see that there's PowerPoint Viewer. There's also Microsoft Word, Publisher. Let's go to Microsoft Word and see how different it is. Version 6. Oh, it's actually not as different as I thought it would be. Screen's kind of flashing there. Some of the keys don't work, unfortunately, on this machine. Not really surprised. It only really works when I just like hold it for a while, which is strange. But yeah, I'm gonna close this. Do I want to save? Want to go back? Yes. A little Smart Picks. Got Publisher. Got QuickBooks. Got Clock. Paint. Brush. Very fascinating seeing other, let's see, calculator. Let's see if it's right. I think that's times. It's right. It's correct. Awesome. I think at this point, this kind of technology though would be more of like a collector's kind of piece than everyday using. There's not really that many applications. You can also play Solitaire. Oh, let's play Solitaire for a little bit. I love Solitaire. Anybody who likes Solitaire, like this video. Let's see here. It totally like hurt my eyes staring at this for a little while. I don't know if this is normal or if this, or is this from just being in storage for so long. But yeah. But there you go. Here's a little preview of the nice little flashback from the older computers that we used to have. Art, Minesweeper, and everything. Alright, thanks for watching, and good night.